Well, it's me again. Good evening. I'm doing it on the evening before the ploughing match tomorrow, so I'm not rushed around tomorrow setting it up and what, you know. As you can see, the tractor's all loaded and ready just to hook the car up for in the morning. I'm doing something a bit different this time. I'm not gonna do me ploughing, well, bits of me ploughing, but not like I set up in my last video. It's gonna be more of the day, the Weald ploughing match, which is hosted in my neighbour's farm. So I ain't got too far to go, at Poplars farm in Hormonden. But it's going to be a nice day tomorrow, and I should enjoy the day's ploughing. Probably won't win nothing, but I don't do it for winning, I do it for enjoying the day's ploughing, really. Like I say, thanks for coming along on my journeys. Like and subscribe as usual. You don't have to subscribe, you know, but you know, it'd be nice. But as I say, thanks for coming along again, and enjoy the day with me. As I say, first thing in the morning, I won't do any filming. I shall do it when I've set up in my plot. Maybe on the entrance to the ploughing match, I might set the camera up on the dashboard of the car. We'll see. As I say, I'm going to enjoy my day tomorrow. Thanks for coming along. See you later.
Thank you very much. Either in this line here, in this line here, this line here, wherever you fancy.
Wherever you
Take your
like.
fancy.
Morning, David. Got the old man with you today, I see.
Oh yes.
Are you against? Are you not? You're a different class.
Yeah.
Okay, then we'll see you later, then. Yeah. my start. Whoops. I'm heavy-ish. Free fire. Wibbly wobbly. Now Peter's doing a Ferguson opening, which is a true opening. We'll have a look in a minute. There you go. The Ferguson opening is a single fire on both sides. Alright, Peter. He's good. How do we get on? Alright.
Could be better.
Yeah. Quite hard soil, isn't it? It's quite hard to break into it. A lot of tram lines going up and down, isn't it?
It's dip right through the middle, isn't
Yeah.
it?
Yeah, it kicked a few times, but hey ho, that's
The trouble is, you haven't got a wheel, have you? To keep the depth.
No, that's right.
No sense in on the old lever.
Yeah. Well, I read yesterday it's a minimum of 6 inches, so you can go a foot deep if you want to. Hi, Big John.
All right, how we doing?
Yeah, good. You? Good start? Up. You ain't got me next to you this time, straightening your furrows up. We're getting 3rd place. Congratulations on your 3rd place your last match. Git. Oh. Oh, yes, that's all right. John?
Yeah, it's not so bad.
Yeah. Well, you're going to enjoy the day, and it's a lovely sunny day anyway.
It is.
So,
At least I'm not at work.
yeah, that's the main thing. Judges. We're judging the plots. Some horses. Good morning. They looking fine, fettle. Hello, horses. Hello, horses. So, smile for the camera.
Oh.
Smile for the camera. Just the old is a two horse race today, as they say. Or 4 horses, yeah. Good morning.
Morning.
How are you this morning?
Good, thank you.
Good. It's quite hard ground I found over there.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, quite nice. You ain't off yet, obviously.
No. Are you here for a job or?
I'm ploughing the next field.
Oh, you?
So I just thought I'd catch a few. Sorry, I'm a Fergie. Lovely class.
We're used to that. We've seen you all kissing them good night.
Yeah. Well, we got her, ain't ya?
Oh, brilliant. Yeah, it's Ray here. Ray and Penny. It's Ray here.
I haven't seen them.
No, but we saw him down at New Romney.
I want to say hello to the your horses anyway. I was at New Romney.
Was you?
Yeah. Hello, horses. Did you see the YouTube video? Hello, baby. Oh.
No, I don't.
What a very pleasant day to plough. Shame the ground's rock hard and loads of tread marks, but that's the competition. And the cows in the distance. Right, as you can see, I've had to change plots due to a wasp nest. Started all over again, and I'm now ploughing again. So I'm quite pleased with the soil here anyway. We'll give it a quick look. Fairly straight, buried all the stubble, which is quite nice. And that's a little bit bent. It narrows off to the far side. We'll give it a good go. I'm happy with this side. The other side's a bit wonky. We'll try and straighten it up. Anyway, back to the ploughing. Thanks for watching. See you in a little while. Right, finished off, and let's go and see, have a look at my plot. That side's pretty straight. Nice crown. And the stubble's all buried. Quite a good day's ploughing now. Everything was going tickly-boo, but I ran out of time in the end because of the I had to move plot for the watch nest, but finished didn't turn out too bad. I'm quite pleased with that. Just a shame about the rushing around. So anyway, that's what I've got to do. So, catch you in a minute. We'll walk around the shows, have me dinner, catch you in a little while. Good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
Fine, and your YouTube channel is?
I am, yes, I'm a tractor fan, so what I do is...
In France?
No, actually I live here in the UK.
Yeah?
Yes.
But your YouTube is in France, is it?
My YouTube is worldwide.
Worldwide?
Worldwide, yeah. So
And what's your name of YouTube?
my name is Marcia Lieber.
Okay, mine's Robin Bell, as you know.
Okay.
And I'm into tractors as well.
Me too, I'm into tractors.
Yes, and ploughing, anything else.
So are you a farmer?
No,
You're
I'm
a
an engineer.
Oh, you're an engineer, yes.
But I enjoy the tractors
yes.
and everything like that.
So do I.
Yeah.
So,
but you're originally from France, are you?
I'm originally from Cameroon and Central African Republic.
Okay, yeah.
But I've been living here for quite a long time.
Yeah.
But I'm mad about farming. I'm a bit of a farming activist.
Yeah.
So I'm talking to people in Africa because over there, farming is still done by hand.
Yes.
And that's why we can't grow a lot. We are restricted by how much we can grow.
Yeah.
And the idea of talking to them about tractors is that this is what actually revolutionized tractors, farming in the UK and across the world.
Yeah.
People used to use horses in the past.
Yeah.
But obviously with the advent of tractors, productions were able to actually triple or even more.
Yeah.
And that's why I'm now trying to influence people's behaviors in Africa. Say you need to invest in buying tractors.
Okay,
To be able to, people got land, people got 100 hectares, 500 hectares, but they can only do about 1 hectare. Yeah. You know, because you cannot do more than that.
Well, the older tractors, as you can see, the older tractors work well on the on the small plots of land.
Okay.
So you can actually cultivate better. You see an old tractor that I own 2 of these old tractors.
Yes.
And you can cultivate a very small plot. So, and it's all mechanical.
Yes.
So it's not electronically devised. So
Absolutely.
Out in Africa where you can't, it's nuts and bolts. Everyone can do a nut and a bolt up.
Absolutely.
And so this would be good for
Africa.
For Africa.
Absolutely.
Small plots, small tractors.
Master Ferguson 35. That's what we need.
Yeah, well, this is a TED.
The TD, yes.
The TED.
Okay.
Yeah, and it's a grey
one.
Fergie.
Yes.
It's the original grey Fergie. It's what Harry Ferguson
Was that built
decided.
in the UK?
Yes, it was built in the UK.
From America.
No, oh no, don't you dare say that. It's a British machine,
Okay.
and the Ferguson Plough that's on the back of it.
Right.
And so but as you walk round, you'll see Fulton Majors,
Yes.
Nuffield tractors.
Yes.
They're all good old tractors. And this is your daughter, is it?
This is my daughter, yes.
And your name is?
Angelina.
Angelina.
And I want to turn her into obviously an activist as well, farming activist.
Yeah.
That's the reason why you know, bringing her.
Okay.
I mean, I travel for everywhere I go.
Well, anyway, thanks so much for letting me have a chat with me.
Thank you.
And well, that's it. Tractor loaded, done for the day. Thanks for coming along again. See you in the future. Hopefully, like and subscribe. See you again. Cheerio.